Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable remote assistance in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Control Panel. Press the mouse to go back to Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that option one time. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select the option that says System and Security. So scroll down here, and you want to select the option that says System. Left click on that one time. On the left side, select Remote Settings, and then you want to uncheck the box that says Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer, and then select Apply and OK. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.